Ha 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 ha. I'm going to destroy the beehive and have the bees fly around and sting everyone. Ha 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 ha. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! I did it!
Hey guys. I'm standing outside Go Animate School. And there has been a beehive attack. Let's see what some people have to say.
I was hanging out with my friends until someone shouted out bees. I didn't believe them at first, but then everyone started screaming and all these bees started chasing us.
I was minding my own business until a group of bees started following us.
I was sitting down playing on my phone. Then bees started following me.
I was walking around doing nothing, I guess. Then all these bees came out of nowhere.
I was climbing a tree stealing my neighbor's fruit. Then bees came out of nowhere. I didn't even have time to climb down. I had to jump.
I had to jump into the lake to stop myself from being stung.
And I said, we need to build a wall.
Wait, was Dora the one who caused this? She's so gonna be grounded.
Dora, how dare you destroy the beehive? That's it, you are grounded for 3, 8, 9, 6, 7, 3, 4, 9, 0, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4 years. Go to your room now.